Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. I'm Victoria Ayo. I'm a local real estate agent in North and South Carolina. Before we begin this video, I want to take a minute to ask you to please go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and also press that red subscribe button. It helps out the algorithm and it allows more people to find out more about Charlotte with ease. So today I am accompanied by my beautiful colleague here, Joy Swanson, and we will be taking you through this beautiful model home here built by Taylor Morrison. We are in Huntersville, North Carolina, in their community called the Estates at Walden. So this floor plan behind us here is called the Aragon. It's a five-bedroom option. Well, it's a five-bedroom model. And guys, this home is beautiful and I can't wait for you to see it. Come along with us, let's check it out together. Okay, so we walk into this beautiful two-story foyer. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love, guys, the details here, the crown molding all throughout the home here. And immediately we come in here to this formal dining area here. I love the choice of fixtures here, the choice of table, and even, guys, the choice of hardwood throughout this home here is absolutely beautiful. What do you say?
Oh yeah, definitely. And the designers did a good job for sure.
Absolutely. So did you want to show us the rest of the home here?
Yeah, absolutely. So just continuing into the hallway here. So we have this
two-story foyer, yeah.
Two-story foyer. This beautiful, beautiful, which leads straight into our living space area. Just beautiful. Got your fireplace, reaches all the way to the ceiling. Lots of open space, lots of natural light.
Yep. We're gonna move over here to the less kind of formal dining space area, or, you know, a lot of people tend to call it the breakfast area. So it's as it sounds, kind of like, you know, eating on the go. And we transition over here to this beautiful, beautiful kitchen area. I tell you guys, like, Taylor Morrison really, really does a good job here.
And one thing I want to point out, Victoria, about this kitchen floor plan, which I really love and I think is so unique, is the pantry right there.
Yep,
which
absolutely. So yeah. No, guys, that's a very unique feature, as Joy said. So this will not be standard as is, but it's definitely something that can be done. And it's very modern and just very, very, like, it's different.
Yeah.
You know?
Plenty of space in there too.
Absolutely. And then what comes standard here in this kitchen, I'll kind of point it out to you. You kind of have this stovetop here. You know, it's not a the built-in stovetop. You have the option of like gas or electric if you wanted it here. And the microwave and the oven would come. So standard would be double oven and a microwave kind of like somewhere configured elsewhere in the kitchen. So we're gonna go over here and look at the laundry space area and the half bathroom.
Yeah, so here we got our half bathroom, and it's very important to have a bathroom on your first floor. Nice little area, and over here, our laundry room. Lots of space, the sink, cabinets, and I think you said, Victoria, that actually Taylor Morrison does come with the washer and dryer, isn't that right?
Well, it's not standard. It's not standard included, but if you needed like to order it with Taylor Morrison, that is an option that you can do. So let's go check out the owner suite downstairs here. So how gorgeous is this owner suite? I think my favorite part is that there's no carpet in here, right? I don't know, for some reason, I think it's weird to have carpet. I think it's becoming, it's slowly becoming weird to have carpet in bedrooms, in my opinion. And I love the kind of like the unique style and the shape of the room here. You kind of have like your mini sunroom area over there.
The placement of the windows, I think, is really nice.
It's definitely different and unique, wouldn't you say?
Super nice.
Absolutely. And then we go over here to the bathroom.
This is our bathroom, which is really nice. Every owner suite accompanies a very nice bathroom. They do have a full tub, which is really, really nice. And then of course your stand-in built shower, lots of space.
Yep, and I love the fact that the vanities are separated. You know, I would obviously take the bigger one, and then my spouse would take the smaller one here. Yeah, and then you have your, you know, water closet or like your enclosed toilet here. And how nice is this closet?
Wow.
This closet feels like a room on its own.
Yeah.
With the windows and everything, it really just,
Yeah.
this would be perfect. I would personally hang like a large mirror here or like a large mirror there and just kind of get ready here and maybe do my makeup here because, you know, it's always good to do makeup with natural light, you know?
Absolutely,
So,
yeah. Lots of space for shoes, purses,
absolutely.
clothes.
Yep. So let's go upstairs and check out this rest of the home together. Okay, and so we are upstairs here, and I love how open this upstairs area is, especially with a 2-story, you know, home.
Yeah.
It's very, very open and spacious.
Definitely.
And we're gonna actually start over here to this bedroom on our left.
Yep. Lots of space, lots of natural lighting, and of course, a nice big closet too.
Yep, that's always a plus. Yeah. And this room actually conjoins, has a double jail bathroom, you know, with this other room. And so you just have your standard double vanity here.
Yep.
You have your shower and tub combo in there, but unfortunately we can't show you that right now, but we'll insert some B-rolls here. And then it kind of transitioned into
our second bedroom. Lots of space, lots of natural light, beautiful designs in here. I want to draw attention to what I thought was really nice. This is the Visco Girl water bottle, which the design team made. They put stickers on it, and you know how that's trending right now. So.
And then guys, what's really unique is this closet. You know, I love this closet because it's huge. It feels like a room on its own.
Yeah.
Guys, I will tell you, Taylor Morrison is very, very, like, I love their build style.
Yeah.
It's very spacious.
Oh yeah.
So the
unique.
approximate acreage here will be about like that 1/4 acre. There have some like 0.5 acre lots here.
Yeah.
So you can see the houses are built very spacious and very, very,
They are.
well, they are large in my opinion.
Huge.
Yeah.
Perfect for families.
Yep. So now we are going to look over here to the study. So the double doors, as you see here, are not actually standard. They can be an addition, you know, with your purchase here. But I really love the idea that this study is kind of like centralized. It's different, you know, because typically the studies are located on the first floor.
Yeah.
But I think I like this, especially if you have kids. You know, you can kind of like stay here and keep an eye on things.
Yeah, for sure. It's super nice and super spacious, and then again, just like lots of natural light.
Yep. I think that's my favorite thing about this home. It's the light coming in everywhere. Yeah.
But we're gonna lead into our third bedroom upstairs. Lots of space, lots of natural light, closet, just everything you need for a good standard bedroom. Yep.
Great closet.
Yep.
Perfect. And then one thing I want to point out, so this room does connect to the bathroom here, which we will be looking at in a second, but we're going to go the other way and look at it. That's something I really find is cool, Joy, because literally every single room here has its own direct connection to the bathroom, which nobody has to go awkwardly through the hallway, you know, to run to the bathroom. Everybody just has their own private door.
Absolutely.
And then, you know, this bathroom here is very, guys, it's unique. It's kind of like your standard bathroom. And you know, you have your double vanity sinks here. And I like the fact that the tile kind of goes a little bit high, because what's weird is some builders are just kind of stopping it like, you know, halfway. So yeah, I love that.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Okay. So this bonus room is like, personally, I don't know, it can kind of convert as a bedroom as well. It does have the closet there. You know, if you have a big family like I do, right, when people come to visit, this will be like just the perfect kind of place where, you know, the cousins, you know, friends, everyone can kind of like spend the night in this area. And I love the fact too, guys, that there's a bathroom connected here. This is a full bath, you know, so I really, really love that, because you can choose to have this either as like, you know, a loft area, or you can really, really utilize it. This is like a guest suite on its own, wouldn't you say?
Oh yeah, definitely. This place is absolutely beautiful. Lots of space to just kind of hang out and gather.
Yep, absolutely, absolutely.
Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this amazing tour of the Taylor Morrison home located in Huntersville, North Carolina. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and give that thumbs up a like. And go ahead and subscribe to Victoria's channel too as well.
Absolutely.
To help the algorithm.
Yep, and it just helps more people discover more about the Charlotte Metro. Huntersville is in the Charlotte Metro, and it just showcases all that Charlotte has to offer. So please let us know in the comment section what you enjoyed most about this home. Is there anything you would change? Like, did you love the 2-story foyer, the 2-story living room? I would love to hear all of that in the comment section. As always, if you want to get in contact with us, you can find our number either posted throughout this video or in the description bar as well. You will also have access to the email address where you can email us directly.
Absolutely.
If you want to set up some time to speak with us, we have a calendar link where you can click directly on the calendar link and schedule your one-on-one appointment with either myself or Joy or a member of our team. We look forward to working with you, and we cannot wait to see you in the next home tour.
Yeah, and plenty of families are making their move and their transition to the Charlotte area, so why don't you guys too as well?